Hello friend, yesterday we started a topic now Cauchy's integral formula. Also I have told that this is the compulsory topic for 5 marks. That means on the basis of this topic there will 5 marks question is compulsory. Now see the more example now. Evaluate integration cos z dz upon z minus pi where c is the circle. Circle equation is mod z minus 3. Now I consider the integration I is equals to over a closed contour c cos z dz upon z minus pi. Now here given mod z minus 1 is equals to 3 is a circle now. Then poles of the equations are obtained by equating dr means denominator equal to 0. Therefore denominator term is z minus pi is equal to 0. This implies z is equals to pi. That is a simple pole here. For z is equals to pi, see the equation what changes in is occur in equation of circle. So mod of z minus 1 is equals to 3. This implies mod of pi minus 1 is equals to, so pi we know, all of you know that the value of pi is 3.14. So 3.14 minus 1, that will be 2.14, which is less than 3. As it is less than 3, that means this point is lies inside the circle here. So therefore hence the point z is equals to pi lies inside the given circle. Therefore by Cauchy's integral formula, integral over a c f of z upon z minus a dz is equals to 2 pi I f of a. So I is equals to 2 pi I. A value is here pi, so therefore f of pi 2 pi into cos f of z is our numerator, that is cos z cos pi. Cos pi is having value minus 1, so 2 pi into minus 1, so this is equals to minus of 2y, minus of 2 pi y. So therefore the integration having its limit is now 2 pi I. Now I have seen one example regarding with exponent term. Now see, evaluate integration over a closed curve c e raised to 3z upon z minus log 2 raised to 4 dz where c is the square. Now it is regarding with the square. The equation squares vertices are plus minus 1 plus minus I. Now let given integration I have considered given points are now, see the first point is now plus minus 1, so I have considered now here plus minus 1. So in if I consider this way, that is we know that every complex number can be written as here x plus iy. So first point is now plus minus 1, that means here first point is now 1 comma 0, second is minus 1 comma 0, second is 0 comma 1, next is 0 comma minus 1. If I join this point here, so I obtain the diagram now. A is equals to minus 1 1, this will be 1 minus 1, this will be 1 1, and here it is minus 1 minus 1. Hence the given points of the square are minus 1 minus 1, b is 1 minus 1 1 1 and minus 1 1. Singular points are obtained by equating denominator equal to 0. So therefore z minus log of 2 raised to 4 is equals to 0, that means z is equals to log 2. Repeated 4 times in the, as it having 4 power, therefore it is repeated for 4 times now. So therefore by Cauchy's integral formula, integration over c e raised to 3z upon z minus log of 2 raised to 4 dz is equals to 2 pi fn a and factorial. Now this is the corollary of this formula, Cauchy's integral formula for derivative. So therefore I is equals to 2 pi fn triple dash here log 2 3 factorial, because it here it is now n plus 1 is given, so therefore 2 pi I 6, then log 2 f of function I consider now e raised to 3z, e raised to 3z's derivative is now 27, because e raised to z's derivative is e raised to z, and coefficient is multiplied as it is 3 times, so therefore it is multiplied for 3 times. So 27 e raised to now 3 log 2, because z is equals to log 2, so therefore 3z become 3 log 2, so 3 goes to the raised to, so 27 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 3 9s are 27, so 9 pi e raised to log of, we know the property of logarithm, the term which is multiplied shifted to raised to, so therefore log of 2 cube, log of 2 cube means e and log get cancelled, so 9 pi I 2 raised to cube, that is 8, so that is 72 pi I. F of, here they give the explanation, the whatever I told you, f of z is e raised to 3z, then f dash, f double dash and f dot triple dash, so therefore the integration value is equals to 72 pi I. Similarly, I consider them one example, use Cauchy's integral formula to evaluate integration z cube minus 2z plus 1 upon z minus I bracket square dz, where c is equals to mod z is equals to 2. That means it is a circle. Mod z is equals to 2. So therefore I consider the equation. The given circle is singular points are obtained. As usual, they are obtained by equating denominator is equals to z minus I square is equal to 0. So z equals to I, as it having power 2. So therefore it is repeated twice. Therefore next part is now z is equals to I. So z is equals to I lies inside the given circle, because we know that I having value root of minus 1. So therefore it is less than 1. So therefore it lies in the circle. Therefore by Cauchy's integral formula, the integration becomes now integration is equals to now here instead of integral, as it having power more than 1, so therefore we have to apply the derivative formula, that is integration over c f of z upon z minus a raised to n plus 1 dz is equals to 2 pi I n factorial f n a. So I is equals to 2 pi f I f dash I upon 1 factorial. So 2 pi I function is now f of z is now z cube minus 2z plus 1. So apply the value of I here. Z cube is equals to minus cf of z, f dash z here, f dash I is equals to now minus of now its derivative 3z. So now I value is equals to apply here, then we get the terms here. So therefore this value is equals to 2 pi into minus 5, therefore it is equals to minus of 10 pi. So by this way we can consider the given integrals here. In next lecture we will start for residue.